How to delete repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how to delete a repost on TikTok. So to delete a repost on TikTok, first of all, make sure that you've already updated your TikTok application. After updating, log in into your TikTok account. So once you're logged into your TikTok account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. Now let's say that, for example, this particular video is what you want to repost. So click on the share icon located right over here, and after that you'll be able to find this option as repost right at the bottom. Now sometimes some videos might not contain a repost option as the user might have not enabled it. Now in order to find the video that you've recently reposted, what you'll need to do is go to your profile. After that, it's going to direct you to the profile page. Over here you can see right in center there's this repost icon. Just click on it, and as you can see, these are all the following videos that are recently reposted. In order to delete the repost video, just long press on it once again, and after that click on the share button. Over here you can see that the videos that you've reposted will have this option as the tick right in center. As soon as you click on it, this will be unmarked. So as you can see that the video has been deleted or removed from the repost features. So now it's been removed from the repost on TikTok, and over here as well you'll not be able to see the video. Now do the same procedure for the rest of the following option, that is click on the share icon. As already mentioned earlier, there is this tick icon, which means that this particular video has been reposted. In order to remove it from your repost, just tap on it and the video has been removed. In this way you can delete a repost on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.